Stop the endless back and forth emails and let your clients book appointments with ease by adding Calendly to your Wix website. This tutorial will walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to embed a Calendly scheduling widget directly onto your Wix site in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Calendly account and find the event type you want to embed. Click the Share button on that event type. A new window will appear. In this window, select the Embed option. Now, copy the provided code snippet. This is the code that will display your Calendly scheduler on your Wix site. Next, head over to your Wix website editor and navigate to the page where you want to add the Calendly widget. Click the plus button to add a new element. Search for Embed a widget and select the Embed a widget option. Drag the widget to the desired location on your page. Click on the Enter Code button within the embedded widget. Paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier into the code box. Click Update to apply the changes. You can now adjust the size and placement of the Calendly widget to fit your page layout. Preview your Wix website to ensure the Calendly scheduler is displaying correctly and functioning as expected. That's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your Wix website, making it easier for clients to book appointments with you. For more website tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel.